So I wanted to share a little what my inspiration for how I want this art studio to look like and feel. I found a herbarium, an old herbarium from 1927 here at the farm that someone left behind at some point. It's full of dried plants and flowers collected under a 3-year period from 1927 to 1929. I want to frame some of them and put them up on the walls in the art studio. This room has a very light and calm feel to it. It's quite high in the ceiling in the middle of the room anyway. We have lots of windows, and you look outside, nature is mostly what you see. Trees, grass, and our big pond with sometimes swans, frogs and other birds swimming around in it. So I want to bring a little bit of nature into this room. I have chosen a very calm color scheme for this room. I found a floor. Maybe it isn't what I would prefer, but I have a budget to consider, and I have to consider what's in the next room to this, because there is an opening to the next room and no door, so you always see both rooms at the same time. So I wanted it to work together. So when I chose this wallpaper, I also considered the room next door, my office with the yellow wallpaper. This wallpaper has a very calm color scheme. It's white with beige, grey and greens in it, and a hint of yellow. I think this wallpaper can work as a good backdrop for all the things I want to put in the art studio. I'm using the umber grey linseed oil paint that I have used all through the house in different places. I'm going to use it on all the trims, skirting boards, doors and windows. And for the interior, decoration and furniture, it will be all in different wood to make the room warm. This is some pictures I found on Pinterest that describes the feel of the room that I'm looking for. I want lot of storage and a lot of organization, but not in such an organized way, if you know what I mean. I want it to be and feel like a place that has been here for years and just had been added on to at different times. A lived-in space. So we will see if I can manage to make that happen, or if it's something that will come as time goes by. But now it's time to do the things you have to do before the fun begins, and that's prepping the walls so they are ready, and I'm doing all the painting before I put up any wallpaper, so I won't mess that up with paint. So unfortunately on some of the walls in here there is this kind of glass fiber cover wallpaper on them, and it makes the wall look uneven, kind of bubbly. So if I would put up a wallpaper on top of that, that will show through. So first I have to apply a skim coat to the wall, make it all smooth, and then I can put up the wallpaper. So spring is finally here in the south of Sweden, with white flowers just everywhere, and the apple and pear trees' buds is starting to break into bloom. The leaves are out on the black currant bushes, and the same on the elderberry tree. So when nature is doing its thing outside, it's time for me to go inside and make things a little more pretty for Easter. In the next video you will see the wallpaper up on the wall and the floor in its place. So until then, thank you for watching, take care, and I will see you soon.